Hello, students of Standard 3rd, DAV Mall Public School, Sitasangi. Welcome you all in online session of English. This is Usha. Today's topic is trees. Part 1. This topic is taken from your English reader. Let's see more about trees. In the previous videos, we learned the poem Tree. Do you remember, students? I hope you all remember this poem. In this poem, we learn trees are the kindest thing I know. Trees are the most kindest thing in the world. They don't harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among the bough. Means trees help us in various ways. To not only human beings but all animals, birds. Tree help us. Tree gives us lots of things to all. So, trees are most important in our life. Now, we are reading this lesson. New lesson, tree. What happened in this lesson? Let's see. There is a lovely old story of a tree. This is a old story about a tree and a little boy who used to play in its shade. The boy always played in the shade of trees. Means he used to play in the shade of tree. One day the boy sat leaning against the trunk. Means bending against the trunk. The boy sat against the trunk of the tree and he was crying. Because he was hungry. The boy was hungry, that's why he was crying. So, on that time, the tree helped him. The tree said, "Eat my fruit," said the kind tree, bending down one of its branches. Means tree helped the boy, that small boy who was hungry and crying. He was crying because of hunger, and on that moment the tree helped him, giving his fruits. The boy ate the fruit and was happy. The boy ate the fruit which the tree gave him, and the boy was happy. The boy grew up. Then the boy grew up. Next, what happened? One day he sat under the tree. That small boy who was hungry and the tree helped him, that boy grew up, and one day he sat under the tree with an anxious look, angry looking on his face. "What is the matter?" asked the tree, who still loved him. "What is the matter?" asked the tree, because the man was looking anxious. So the tree asked him, "What is the matter? What happened? Why are you angry? Why are you so sad?" asked the tree. The man said, "Who still love him?" That tree still love him, that boy who grew up now. "I am going to marry," the boy says. That grew up boy, means younger boy, said, "I am going to marry and I want a house to live in," said the young man. That boy who grew up in a young man. He said that he is going to marry and he wants a house to live. So then the tree said, "Cut down my branches and build your house." The tree said, "Cut down my branches and build your house." Means in previous also the tree helped him by giving fruits. The tree satisfied his hunger, and then when he grew up in a young man, the tree also helped him on that stage with giving logs for building a house. The young man built a house with the branches. of the tree. The young man become a sailor. Then the young man become a sailor. After he married and he built a house and he become a sailor. I hope you all understood this topic. Next part we will learn in the next video. Okay, previous part we will learn in the next video. Now some exercise on this topic which we learn now. Why was the boy crying? Why was the boy crying? The boy was crying because he was hungry. The boy was hungry. The boy was crying because he was hungry. Where did the boy play? The boy played under the shade of a tree. The boy played under the shade of the tree. Students, note down these question answers in your copy. Okay? What did the tree give to the boy? What did the tree give to the boy when he was small? The tree means it gave him fruits. It gave him fruits. Look at this here. We used he for boy and it for tree. Now, what did the tree allow the boy? Why did the tree allow the boy to cut its branches? It did so because still it loved the boy and he was in need. So the tree helped him. Now the next exercise, find out the opposite words. Lovely. Opposite word of lovely? Ugly. Yes, ugly. Young, old. Little, big. Cruel, kind. Cry, laugh. Lost, get. Happy, unhappy. Selfish, unselfish. Love, hate. These are the opposite words. So note down in your copy. This is exercise. Okay? Complete your exercise. Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day. Be safe. Stay at home and stay safe. Remaining part we will learn in the next video. Okay?